why should people consider coming through to the property investing workshops that you host?
One property investing workshop is different to another. This year alone, we hosted 4 property workshops, and I'm really quite excited. We called from bond originators, accountants, bankers, conveyancers, you name it. When it comes to property investing, we are there.
And the thing that I really like about it is that every time we do actually plan for another event, it's not like we're just saying that cut that and paste here. We are always saying that let's delete those slides, start new slides again. So every time you do come through to the non-wealth workshop, I promise you it's not the same jokes every day.
Looking in Durban, we're hosting the property workshop mastermind, right? When it came to mastermind, we're talking about outstanding intellect. We're talking about having a mastermind team. And this goes without saying that it will put you at a competitive advantage when it comes to investing, like April.
So on the 1st of October, we will actually be hosting our next property workshop in Midrand, the precinct. So make sure that you do actually purchase your ticket as soon as possible.
Limited seats, invest like a pro with no wealth.